Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyihi Muhammadin Sayyidil Mursaleen. Wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. May peace be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessing be upon his Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. I am Mostafizur Rahman. I am a student. Presently, I am undergoing class Mostafizur at Darul Ulum Nasriya Baghdad Kadihara, Gwalbar Assam. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Talukdar English House Academy for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of Islam. Dear audience, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, Inna ad-deena 'inda Allahi al-Islam. Verily, the religion before Allah is Islam. And in other place, Allah says, وَمَنْ يَبْتَغِ غَيْرَ الْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْهُ وَهُوَ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. If anyone desires a religion other than Islam, never will it be accepted of him. And in the hereafter, he will be in the ranks of those who are lost. Islam is an Arabic word that means submission and surrendering to the will of the Almighty Allah. Islam is the perfect form of the true religion and complete way of life. The basic tenets of Islam include oneness of Allah, belief in prophets and messengers, belief in angels, belief in heavenly books, belief in destiny, belief in resurrection, and belief in the day of judgment, paradise and hell, etc. Dear audience, Islam is a heavenly religion. The prophet of Islam is Sayyidina Muhammad. Allah bless him and give him peace. Those who follow Islam are called Muslims. Now, the final religion of Allah, it is the one religion that can guide the mankind to the way of Allah and grant them deliverance from hellfire. Dear brothers, Islam is based on 5 major principles. Number 1, to testify that no one is right to worship but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's apostle. Number 2, to perform 5 times salah daily. Number 3, to keep fast in the month of Ramadan. Number 4, to pay yearly zakat to the poor. Number 5, to perform Hajj once in lifetime. Dear audience, today Islam is the second largest religion of the world. There are about 57 countries all across the world where Muslims are in majority. Most of these Muslim countries are in the continents of Asia and Africa. Islam teaches universal brotherhood. It is a religion of equality and justice. It asserts that all human beings are equal with no difference of color. Islam says that the best among people is one who is more pious. Here, I'll conclude my talk with sincere prayers to Allah that He give us tawfiq to follow through Islam in every walk of life. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation and have a wonderful day. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
MashaAllah.